Hello dear students. The topic now we are going to discuss is articles. Articles a and the. As we all know that a and the are called articles. Okay? We all know that a and the are called articles. Now here are types of articles. There are two types of articles. First of all, there is indefinite. Second one is definite. Okay. First of all, there is definite and second one is first is indefinite and second is definite. Indefinite, which is not defined, means to say which is not sure. Okay, which is not defined. That is called indefinite. Definite, in which the things are particular defined. This is called definite. The things which are particular defined, these are called definite. First of all, indefinite, we are having three articles, a, and the. Two articles, a and an, both are indefinite articles. A and an both are indefinite articles. Okay. Now here is confusion that if both are indefinite articles, so how can we assess the difference? Means अगर दोनों indefinite articles हैं तो इनमें difference क्या है? Where can we use a and an? So to clear the difference, there is use of a and an. Use of a and an. We use a and an for both for the singular things. Singular things के लिए दोनों को हम use करते हैं. If we are using it for the singulars, both of, then here is also a confusion. Where can we use an and where can we use a? Okay. So as we all know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. Vowels इनको आप mostly कहते हो, but these are called vowels. Okay. These are called vowels. Completely 5 vowels are here. A, E, I, O, U. We all know that with these 5 vowels we always use an. We all know that. But the thing which is not known to us, that is, don't go to these vowels. Make their Hindi sound. A, E, I, O, U. इनको लिख के देखो, राइट करके देखो हिंदी के अंदर. A, E, I, O, U. These 4, ये जो 4 है, इनको हम हिंदी में स्वर काउंट करते हैं. इंग्लिश में जिनको हम वाउल्स बोलते हैं. हिंदी में ये स्वर काउंट होते हैं और इंग्लिश में इनको हम वाउल्स बोलते हैं. य एक व्यंजन काउंट होता है हिंदी के अंदर. मीन्स टू से इन इंग्लिश दिस इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट. ओके. तो जो ये 4 अपने पास जो वाउल्स आ रहे हैं, इनके साथ हमने एन यूज़ करना है. इनके साथ नहीं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं मोस्टली कि जहाँ देखा अ है, ई है, आई, ओ, यू, जहाँ इन 5 वाउल्स को देखा उनके साथ हम एन अप्लाई कर देते हैं. बट दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. गो टू देयर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. उनके साउंड पे जाओ. उनके जो फेसेस एक्सप्रेशंस है या लेटर्स को देख के आप लोगों ने एन अप्लाई नहीं करना. Clear? See that here I am giving some examples. First of all, you can see here is unit. You will see that here is U. Simply we see that if here is U, if there is any vowel, if there is any vowel, we just apply an simply. But you can see unit is given. Make it sound. Unit. I am writing here unit. य is not a vowel. य is not a sir. य क्या है? एक व्यंजन है. So we can use here a, not an a. If we are going to use here an, that is absolutely wrong. Now same thing you can see U. अब आप यहाँ कहोगे कि यहाँ पे भी U है और यहाँ पे भी U है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? हम लोगों ने सीखा हुआ है अपनी छोटी जो क्लासेस के अंदर टीचर्स ने मोस्टली बताया हुआ था कि अम्ब्रेला है तो उसके साथ एन आता है. हमने क्रैमिंग की हुई है बहुत अच्छे से. बट यू कैन सी अम्ब्रेला, मेक इट साउंड अम्ब्रेला. It's going to be started from a. Is a swar, means to say vowel. So here we will apply an, not a. Okay. Next, 1 rupee note. Now we will see that O is here. O is a vowel, so simply we will apply here an. That is absolutely wrong. Make it sound 1 rupee. 1. V is a vyanjan, not a swar. So here we will write 1 rupee not. Now R. We usually know that with R, with honest, with egg, mostly we use an, as we all know that. But the reason is that H. अब H तो अपने पास vowels के अंदर नहीं आता. ये अपने पास 5 vowels है, which you can see 5 vowels यहाँ पे है आपके पास. बट यहाँ पे H कहीं नहीं है, तो फिर इसके साथ हम एन क्यों लगाते थे? हमारे टीचर्स हमें बताते हैं कि यहाँ पे एन आना है. क्यों लगाते थे? वट वॉज द रीजन? वी डोंट नो अबाउट दिस. द रीजन इज दैट मेक इट साउंड आर. आवर, आर. तो अ की साउंड आ गई. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इसकी अ से स्टार्ट हो रही है. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज एन. ओनेस्ट, सेम थिंग. एच इज साइलेंट हियर. ओनेस्ट, ओ अ इज अ swar, so here we will apply an. Now that is given European. We see that E is given. E क्या है? E vowel है. Simply यहाँ पे हम an apply करेंगे? No, but make it sound. European. य आ गया. य is a व्यंजन, so here we will apply a. Clear? Next one, there is definite article. Indefinite, hope indefinite article is clear. Now there is definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. Now the uses of the. First use of the is proper noun. We use the with the proper noun. Simply if I am saying that river, dash river. Which river we don't know. So for this we will apply, because simple and singular thing is given. So we will apply a. Now particular river name is given, the Ganga, which is highlighted. Ganga river, proper noun is given. So here we are applying the. Simply if I am writing here dash book, a book. If I am writing particular Gita book, Gita book's name is given now. So for this I am using the, because now there is proper noun. Okay. Second use of the is designation. For the designation, कोई भी आपका जो डेजिग्नेशन है उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. आप लोगों को याद है कि एप्लीकेशन जब हम राइट करते हैं, लिखते थे ना, टू द प्रिंसिपल. प्रिंसिपल का क्या है? डेजिग्नेशन है. सो फॉर दिस वी आर यूजिंग हियर द प्रिंसिपल, द डॉक्टर, द टीचर, द इंजीनियर, लाइक दिस. ओके. थर्ड यूज ऑफ द इज फॉर द प्लैनेट्स. For the planets we use the Earth, the Mars, the Neptune, the Sun, the Moon, like this. Next is plural nouns. For the plurals noun we use, if pen is given, then we will use a. If pans is given, then we will apply the pans, the bananas. Okay? The books. For the superlative degree, we use good, better, best. This is positive and this one is comparative, and best one is superlative degree. We all know that there are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Here we can see he is the best man. Best is the superlative degree. So for this we are applying here the. For example, I am the best. Best is a superlative degree. So for this we are using the. Okay. Thank you.